Alright guys, what's up? I'm here with my boy Cody. He's got this badass GTO right here. It looks sexy as hell. You said it's a Chevy SS paint?
Yeah, new Chevy SS. I think it's called Perfect Blue.
Perfect blue? Yeah, look, cause it looks perfect. But we're about to take a ride in this thing. You've been building the car for like how long?
I've had it for 3 years now.
Hell yeah. I've seen this thing back when it was like completely, pretty much stock.
In stock.
And now you'll hear it when you start it out, but this thing is badass. But I mean, do you want to say anything about the car or?
Just regular old LS2 heads cam intake.
Heads cam intake car with some weld wheels. But shit, you want to start it up? As you guys can see, it's the GT slow because it's obviously slow. It's so loud. I love it. I almost bought one of these, but I was like, I don't know.
It's fun, but like when it comes to like suspension and like body parts and stuff like that, it's expensive.
Yeah. Was it a 4-speed? 3.
Yeah.
That bitch pulls. That's not bad. That's just all motor too, right?
Yeah, it's all motor.
This cook ass. He heard you though. Alright guys, so I want to say thanks one more time to Cody for coming out.
Yeah man, thank you.
His car is pretty badass. We're gonna probably film this a lot more on the channel. But if you want to see more of this car, go check him out on Instagram. I'll post it somewhere around here. But comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I've been a